Hello and welcome to Edu-bubble. In my previous videos, I have almost completed draw panel and modify panel. To watch my previous videos, please go to the description box, links are given there. Well, in this particular video, I am going to show you how to use Polygon Command and hatch of an object. And some of the modify tools like fillet, explode and join. Later on, I am going to draw YouTube play button. So it is going to be very excited. Please watch my video until the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let us see how can we draw a polygon using Polygon Command. The Polygon Command is used to create polygons in AutoCAD. First, you go to this rectangle tool and click on this drop down sign. Then you can see an option to create a polygon. Select this to activate Polygon Command. Otherwise, simply type POL, then press enter to activate Polygon Command. First, you can see they are asking to specify the number of sides. One thing I like to tell you that the maximum number of lines available to create a polygon, that is 1024. So first I want to draw a hexagon, that is why specifying the number of side, that is 6, enter. Now you need to specify the center point. So you can see there are two options to create a polygon. First one is inscribed in circle. So I am choosing the first option and I am giving the value of radius, that is 100. Press enter. So first polygon is made. What is inscribed in circle? The polygon formed will be drawn inside the circle. The command is best used when we want to create a polygon with its vertices or corners touching the circle. Okay, let us see the another option. Again you have to go this Polygon Command, then number of side 6, enter, specify the center point and choose the second option, that is circumscribed about circle. Okay, and you have to specify the radius of this circle. Suppose I am specifying the radius, that is 100, press enter. So another polygon is made. Let us draw a circle to make you understand. Okay, first you need to specify and you have to give the value of radius, that is 100, enter. Again you have to choose this circle option, specify the center point and you need to specify the radius, that is 100. Press enter. You can easily understand the differences. First polygon is made inside the circle, second polygon is made outside the circle. So in this way we are able to create polygons according to our requirements. Let us see the next option, that is hatch. Hatch is basically used to fill patterns inside an enclosed area. Just click on this option to activate and you can see hatch creation ribbon tab will be appeared. Fine. Now there are several options. Just click on this drop down. You can see there are 4 options are available. First one is solid. Solid is basically used to make uniform color. Second one is gradient. Gradient is basically transition of 2 colors and there are several patterns are also available, which is ISO standard. Okay, so first I am going to choose the option solid. Okay, and from here you are also able to choose the color solid. Suppose I am choosing the red color and just click on this area and this area is hatched and just close the hatch option. Again you have to go this hatch option. I am choosing the second, that is gradient. The first color of gradient, suppose yellow, and second one is black. This type of gradient you can make. I am choosing the first one and clicking this point. Okay, then you have to click on close hatch creation. Well, let me show you how can we make patterns. So first of all we need to draw some figure. Suppose I am drawing. Go to this hatch option and choose the third option, that is pattern. Okay, now you need to choose the pattern color. Suppose I am choosing the pattern color, that is white. Okay, and just click on this. You can see it is not visible because the scale is very small. Okay, so I am changing the scale. I am giving the value of scale, that is 50. Then enter. You can see it is prominently visible. Here you can see there are two more options are available: angle and hatch transparency. So just you are also able to change the angle of hatch and transparency level. Okay, so this is how we are able to hatch a particular area. Well, let's move on to the modified panel. You can see there is a option of fillet. Fillet command is used to create rounded edges between the adjacent line. I am showing you how can we create rounded edge. So that is why first you need to activate line command, press L, enter, and draw a straight line. To make it straight, make ortho mode on by pressing F8. Well, and another line vertically. Okay, so you can see there is a sharp corner. Using fillet command you can make this corner rounded. So first you have to activate fillet command. That is why I am pressing F, enter to activate fillet command. Then you need to specify the radius, R, enter, giving the value of radius, suppose 10, enter, and just click these two lines. So you can see here a rounded corner has been made. Next modify tool I am going to show you, that is join. Suppose you are making an object with different segment. Let me show you. First activate line command and make a rectangle in this way. Okay, if you want to select this object, that it is not going to happen because segments are separated. To join this segment you have to use join command. To activate join command you have to press J, then enter, then you have to select the object. Okay, then press enter. You can see the whole object has been joined. Okay, in the same manner you are also able to explode this object. Okay, first go to modify panel and there is a option of explode. Otherwise the keyword of explode is X. Press X, then enter. Explode option is activated. Now you need to select this object, then press enter. You can see all the segment are separated. So using join command you are able to join different segments, and using explode command you are able to explode the object. So this is all about fillet, explode and join. So let's make a drawing to make you understand how these options are implemented. Well, I am going to make this YouTube play button. You can see all the dimensions are given. Now I am going to open a new workspace. So click on this new drawing. So a new workspace has been generated. So I am going to make the first rectangular part which has a length of 86 and width of 50. So choose rectangle command, REC, enter. Then you have to specify the first corner point and then you have to choose the dimension, D, enter. Give the length of this rectangle, that is 86. Press enter. Then you have to give the width of this rectangular part, that is 50. Press enter. So you can see a rectangular part has been made. Now you can see the circular arc in each corner point. So first of all go to the circle option, choose the center radius and specify the center point. Then you have to give the radius value of this circle, that is 13. Press enter. Now I am going to copy this circle to the each corner. So first you have to choose the copy option, that is CO, enter. You can see copy command has been activated. Now I am going to select this object, press enter and specifying the center point as a reference through which I am going to copy this object, and press each corner of this rectangle in this way. Circular arc of each corner has been made. Next step, you have to make the circular arc with a radius of 380. So go to the circle option and click on this drop down and choose the tan radius option. Take the tangent of this circle and this circle and you have to give the value of radius, that is 380. press enter. So you can see a circular arc has been made. Now you have to trim the extra part. So go to this trim command and click on this. So extra part has been trimmed. In the same way, you are also able to make the circular arc in this side. So again you have to go this tangent radius option, take the tangent of this circle and this circle, and you have to specify the radius of this circular part, that is 150, then press enter. You can see this arc has been made. Again you have to trim the extra part. In this way you are able to make this circular arc at the bottom and the left side, but I am not going to do that. I am going to make a mirror image. So first type mi, then press enter to activate this mirror command. I am selecting this object, then press enter, and you have to give the reference line. So first click on the center point and you can see automatically midpoint will be shown. So in this way I have made the mirror image of this circular arc. In the same way again you have to make the mirror image of this circular arc. So go to this mirror option and click on the circular arc, press enter, then specify the reference line. So you can see the outline of YouTube play button has been made. Now you can see there is a equilateral triangle inside this play button. So I am going to make this triangle with a side of 35 unit. So first click on this line command, specify the first point, give the value of side, that is 35, then press enter. To make another side, give at the rate 35 less than sign. You have to specify this angle. So angle should be 120 degree. So second line has been made. To close this polygon, press C, then enter. So you can see this triangular part has been made, but you have to rotate this triangular part in 90 degree. Now to join this line, you have to activate join command, press J, then enter, select this object, then press enter. So you can see lines are joined. To rotate this triangular part, so first of all you have to activate this rotate command, that is RO, then press enter. Select the object, then you have to specify the point through which it is going to be rotated. You have to move this object to the center point of this rectangular part. Press M, enter, then select the object, specify the center point, then move it to this center point and just click on the center point of this rectangle. To trim this extra part, choose this trim option, then trim all the extra part. So you can see it is almost ready. So go to this hatch option. Okay, now you have to choose the solid. Okay, solid, then color is red, just click here. Okay, close this hatch. Again you have to go this hatch option, color should be solid, and take the color that is white and simply click. Okay, and close hatch creation. So you can see YouTube play button has been made. Please like and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.